Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to check the watch time hours for your YouTube channel. I'm a new YouTuber and I constantly like to go and check how many watch hours have I achieved. Today I was going to do that and I went on YouTube just to see how to check watch hours on YouTube. And to my surprise, the video I came across, the top search, was from 3 years ago. And the one below that is from 5 years ago. So I thought it is something that people would like to know. It's very simple, but I thought I'll make a video about it. So all you have to do, I have already logged into my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. You go into YouTube Studio. And then on this side corner, right under the studio, you scroll down and you will see earn right here. You click that. Once you have done that, you are on this page which says on top earn on YouTube. Once you're here, you scroll down and here you can see number 1, reach requirement to apply. So I'm far away from 1,000, but I'm working towards it. So this is what I was looking for. The total watch hours has to be 4,000, and right now it says 249 public watch hours. So many miles to go, but I'm working on it. So this is how you check how many watch hours have been achieved. Hope this helped. Thanks for landing on my channel. Please subscribe and share this video.